Vikas, I keep hearing about SIPs. What exactly is it?
SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It's a simple way to invest in mutual funds regularly, monthly, weekly, whatever suits you.
So I don't need to wait till I have a big amount to invest?
Right. SIPs let you start with smaller amounts and build the habit of regular investing.
And I don't need to worry about timing the market?
That's one of the benefits. Since you're investing consistently, you don't have to make decisions based on market movements every time.
Sounds practical. Easy to set up too?
Very. Most platforms let you set it up in just a few steps, and you can pause or change it anytime if needed. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.